HP Neverstop Laser HP Laser NS Series. Custom Test Research Report. HP Neverstop HP Laser NS, world's first cartridge-free toner tank laser printer, offers a fast and clean refill experience. Keypoint Intelligence-Buyers Lab was contracted by HP to conduct a study to verify that the monochrome laser printer and MFP products, sold under the brand names HP Neverstop Laser and HP Laser NS, are the world's first cartridge-free toner tank laser printers compared to the majority of available desktop personal monochrome laser printers and MFPs, designed with a long-life imaging drum toner tank system pre-installed. The HP Neverstop printers allow users to refill the printer via self-contained HP reload kits, representing a first-of-its-kind design innovation for desktop laser printers. The Buyers Lab research and analyst team reviewed specifications and documentation for the majority of worldwide competitive monochrome laser printers priced $250 USO and MFPs priced $350 USO, based on IDC market share data, and found that, although some models offer a tonal cartridge that can be removed from the printer and refilled by the end user, no other in-class models offer a cartridge-free system that can be refilled in place. Thus, the HP Neverstop printer and MFP can be considered the world's first in-class laser printers to have a cartridge-free, refillable toner system. Fast, mess-free in-place refill experience. Test objective. Keypoint Intelligence-Buyers Lab was also contracted by HP to perform a hands-on evaluation to test speed and yield performance, along with the toner refill experience to verify that the monochrome laser printer and MFP products, sold under the brand names HP Neverstop Laser and HP Laser NS, provide a fast and clean refill experience. The HP Neverstop Laser HP Laser NS printers and MFPs use a permanent toner container pre-installed that allows users to refill the printer via self-contained HP reload kits. Executive Summary. BRI technicians noted that the HP Neverstop 1200 MFP and Neverstop 1000 printer series were easy to set up and refill. The units ship with 5,000 pages of toner preloaded and offers a clean, fast and simple refill process using the 2500-page HP reload kit. The Neverstop devices let users refill toner without removing a cartridge or drum from the printer, and the design is mess-free. The syringe locks into the printer and doesn't release any toner until rotated into place above the toner hopper, removing any potential for mess. Once the syringe is empty, the self-closing design prevents any leakage on or around the printer as it is removed. The compact design also reduces plastic waste compared to traditional toner cartridges. Note that the toner HP reload kits are recycled through the HP Planet Partnered program. Toner refill experience. The units ship with 5,000 pages of toner preloaded. Once that is done, the device initializes. Users should be aware that the unit will make some clicking and cycling noises as the system initializes. They can then print about 2,500 pages before the device will indicate that toner can be filled with one reload kit. When toner needs to be refilled, users will receive a pop-up message on their PC. More detailed information regarding device and supply status is available from the embedded web server. The HP Reload Kit has two orange seals, which must be removed prior to installing the cartridge. Users should shake the container to redistribute the toner powder. The toner access port on the top of the printer has a soft cover that can easily be rotated back and out of the way to load toner. Raw filling the toner on the HP Neverstop printer or MFP is simple. Users open the toner cover, line up the reload container with the opening and insert the HP reload kit into the hole. The device will read the chip and initialize. Once the indicator light starts blinking, users can rotate the HP reload container 180 degrees and depress the plunger to fill the internal toner hopper. The whole process, from insertion of the reload container to refill of 2,500 pages, took the BRI technician about 15 seconds. The HP Reload Kit offers a clean refill experience. As can be seen in the photos above, A white glove across the refill surface showed no toner residue left on the printer, nor did the white table cover after the technician refilled the toner. The HP Reload Kit's compact design can also help reduce the amount of waste generated when compared to traditional toner cartridges. See photo above of cartridge and packaging for one similar capacity and class toner cartridge compared to two empty reload containers, which provide nearly twice as much toner. Note that retail packaging was not available at the time of Buyers Lab's evaluation. Toner yield test results. BLRS toner yield testing on 4 HP Reload kits exceeded HP's rated yield of 2,500 pages each. Tested toner yield, HP Neverstop Laser 1000W. Toner yield average 2752 pages. Toner yield is based on BRI testing of 2 HP Reload kits on one printer, using the ISO 19750 to toner yield test original. Toner yield test results. BLRS toner yield testing on 4 HP Reload kits exceeded HP's rated yield of 2,500 pages each. Tested toner yield, HP Neverstop Laser MFP 1200W. Toner yield average 2803 pages. Toner yield is based on BU testing of 2 HP Reload kits on one MFP, using the ISO 19750 to toner yield test original. ISO print speed test results. Products were tested in accordance with ISO 24734, with all device and print driver settings left in default mode. In BLRS testing, both the HP Neverstop Laser 1000W and the HP Neverstop Laser MFP 1200W delivered an average speed of 21.1 ppm. HP Neverstop Laser 1000W productivity results. HP Neverstop Laser MFP 1200W productivity results. First set out time is defined as the length of time device takes to produce pages, measured from the initiation of the print job to the complete exit of the last page of the first test set. See www.iso.org and reference ISO standard 24730 for additional details. Effective throughput is defined as the average speed at which a device produces pages measured from the initiation of the job through to the complete exit of the last page of the last test set. See www.iso.org and reference ISO standard 24730 for additional details. Estimated saturated throughput is defined as the rate at which a device produces pages, measured from the complete exit of the last page of the first test set through to the complete exit of the last page of the last test set. ESAT is expressed in images per minute. See www.iso.org and reference ISO standard 24730 for additional. Test methodology. Research methodology. Using Keypoint Intelligence-Buyers Lab's extensive product database containing information on over 30,000 printers and MFPs worldwide, as well as publicly available specification information, the BRI research team reviewed specifications and documentation for competing and class models to determine if toner could be refilled without removing a cartridge drum. Models included in the sample versus HP Neverstop printer series. About Keypoint Intelligence-Buyers Lab. Since 1961, Keypoint Intelligence-Buyers Lab has been the leading global independent office equipment test lab and business consumer advocate. In addition to publishing the industry's most comprehensive and accurate test reports on office document imaging devices, each representing months of exhaustive hands-on testing in BLSS and UK laboratories, the company has been a leading source for extensive runnability testing on imaging media and consumables, as well as extensive specifications pricing databases on MFPs, printers, scanners, and fax machines. BRI also has a long-standing reputation for being the industry's most trustworthy and complete source for quality testing services and global competitive intelligence. In addition to testing over 200 office document imaging devices and related consumables annually for its subscribers, BRI provides consulting services to buyers and a range of private testing services that include document imaging device data and pre-launch testing, performance certification testing, consumables testing, solutions evaluations, and imaging media runnability testing. For more information on Buyers Lab, call 797-100, visit www.keypointintelligence.com or email info@keypointintelligence.com.